You discovered a fantastic solution that can change people's lives. And you want to make something out of it. So you ordered a website and advertised everywhere to get some people visiting your website and hopefully buy your product. But wait a minute. How can you be sure that these people who check your website will actually understand how your solution works? Who is so free to read all this stuff anyway? Wouldn't it be cool if there was a way to promote your product within a few minutes? At iPromo Video, we show you the new way to engage and enlighten your visitors. Instead of writing an essay that no one bothers to read, we go straight to the point by explaining why your solution is useful in a creative, animated video. We also make it fun to watch, to entertain your audience, so they will share it with the people they know. In this way, you can definitely forget about spending thousands of dollars to promote your solution. Now, the whole world can find out what your solution is with just a click of a button. iPromovideo.com